colors. My pants are sagging, braided hair, sucker.
Civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for your area. Tune to Channel 8 for the emergency message on this situation.
Stare, but I don't care. My game ain't knowledge, my game's fear.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center of Missing and Exploited Children in conjunction with the Raleigh Sheriff's Office. A statewide Amber Alert has been issued for the entire state of North Carolina. Police are looking for Amy Bridges, a 7-year-old female, 3 foot 10 inches tall, brown hair, blue eyes, weighs approximately 63 pounds, and was last seen wearing a purple shirt with red shorts. The suspect is an animal-like creature without a known name or origin, about 6 foot 3 inches tall, and seen wearing dark clothing that nearly makes it invisible. The suspect was last seen on South Loyland Avenue. If you have information about this creature, contact your local police department immediately. This message will repeat in 25 minutes.
Local area emergency for Raleigh, North Carolina. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Durham County Sheriff's Office and the Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Approximately 20 more children have gone missing within the past 10 minutes. It is believed that the person responsible for the abduction of Amy Bridges is responsible for the disappearances of these kids. If you have any kids outside, bring them inside immediately. These children were last located at residences on South Boylan Avenue. The description of these children can be found on the page for Missing and Exploited Children. If you have any information about this situation, contact the police department immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Covering local news that matters. This is CBS 17 News.
Good evening, everybody. Today residents have spotted what seems to be quote-unquote white eyes moving in the dark. The picture in the background was taken by a man named John Williams. It is believed this is the thing that kidnapped Amy Bridges and the other 20 children. Remember to contact the Durham County's Police Department if you see this creature. If you or your loved ones were attacked by this creature, seek immediate help. Police are currently investigating into this situation to find a way to prevent this creature from doing any more harm. Well, since we covered that, we should move on to the weather. Today's skies are clear. Wind gusts up to 10 miles per hour. The chance of raining is 30%. The storm from yesterday has left ruins in the downtown area of Raleigh. Emergency services are providing anybody that were affected by the storm with supplies. About 1,000 residents do not have power.
Or Stupid Duck! Sakes. I mean, wouldn't you think they could find some other place to put a building?
This is an important message for the following counties, in Raleigh, Durham. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Durham County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with the Raleigh Head Office of Police Departments. A civil emergency message has been issued due to a recent event occurring on South Boylan Avenue. An increasing number of 911 calls report residents seeing a suspicious creature walking outside their home before their house is broken into. It is confirmed that the creature that was spotted by Durham police is hostile, and will attack anything and anyone it sees. To ensure your safety, follow the necessary procedures. Lock and barricade all windows and doors. Turn off all lights in your residence. Turn off any electrical device or machine that can produce enough light or noise to be noticed by the creature, and most importantly, have a weapon nearby to defend yourself and your family. If your house is broken into, use weapons by any means necessary. This includes lethal force. If you see the creature roaming around your house, or is inside your house, call 911 immediately. Local authorities are currently working on how to stop the situation from escalating any further. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this situation.
What's up, Duck?
Good evening. As you know, a creature has been spotted in Raleigh, North Carolina. Police are saying they are receiving up to 10 to 20 calls per minute. This is making the police line dangerously close to going out. In addition, many residents have spotted the creature now starting to attack and kill residents on South Boylan Avenue.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Durham County Sheriff's Office and the Raleigh Emergency Management Agency. A unknown anomaly has been seen roaming the area of South Boylan Avenue, breaking into residences and assaulting and injuring the people inside it. It is unknown where or how this creature appeared and where it came from, but the Durham County Sheriff's Office and the Raleigh Emergency Management Agency is ordering all residents to stay indoors and be aware of anything outside your residence. The creature is a 6 foot 3 inch tall entity, with white eyes and very dark skin. This creature is hostile as confirmed by Durham police and has already attacked and killed multiple people inside Raleigh. If you are hearing this message, take these following precautions. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors. Turn off all lights in your residence. Turn off any machine that emits noise. And most importantly, do not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. If you see the creature, call 911 immediately. More information on this creature will be released shortly. Stay tuned to local media outlets, TVs, and radio stations, or commercial radios for more information on this situation.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and try your call again.
The civil authorities have issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties/areas: Wake County, NC Durham County, NC Mecklenburg County, NC Guilford County, NC. Message from IPOSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency and the Raleigh Police Service Station. The 911 number has experienced an outage due to the amount of calls received by operators. For alternative numbers, call 91999638855 or 919996247. In addition, all 20 children that were originally kidnapped were found dead in a residence on South Boylan Avenue. Remember to call the police department if you see the creature. Stay tuned to local media outlets, TV and radio stations, or commercial radios for more information on this situation.
Welcome back to NBC 17, providing the latest news to you. We are currently reporting live about the creature that has been terrorizing the city of Raleigh. Police are currently at a residence that the creature was last reported at. This is it, folks. This is our chance to kill this thing that have killed about 25 people. 21 including the children that were kidnapped, and the other 4 people were killed in break-ins. Wait. I just got a report from Police Chief David Jones that his team has successfully detained the creature. We will try to gain contact with the police to confirm this. For now, we should pan to the scene at the residence on
Administrative message for all of North Carolina. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency and the Durham County Sheriff's Office. The creature that was last spotted on South Boylan Avenue has been pronounced dead at the scene of a residence on South Boylan Avenue by Durham Police and was detained and now is secured in an undisclosed location in North Carolina. Since this emergency is over, citizens are allowed to exit their homes freely without being attacked or forced back into their homes. The North Carolina Statewide Police Offices thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.